community, ang fan community ng Ben and Ben na tinatawag namin Liwanag. Today ang anniversary ng Liwanag! Sabi natin sabihin, Happy Anniversary Liwanag!
Happy Anniversary, Liwanag! Happy Anniversary!
And in the spirit of being Liwanag, ngayong gabi, itong susunod namin kakantahin. Minsan, kahit paano imposible na makita kung paano magiging okay at lahat,
Yan na!
kung ano man yung pinagkakanan mo ngayong gabi. Para sa bawat isa sa inyo, ang sinasabi nitong next song na to, na even if we don't know how and we don't know when, eventually, all will be alright in time! We're saying it, this song is called Leaves.
Yeah.
Everything changed. And in the end, can you tell me it was worth the try, so I can decide. These songs will come from the madness of trees. All will be alright. From waves overgrown, cold and calmest of seasons, and all will be alright in time. Oh, you never really love someone until you learn to forgive.
Daming tao, din! Isang video, ang daming tao. Tingnan mo, tapos sa likod.
Be the shadow of once we out.